What if I told you the single biggest mistake you're making in your social life is trying too hard? What if the secret to being more wanted is to want less? This isn't a trick. It's a fundamental shift in your operating system. You know the feeling. You send a text and you wait. That little typing bubble. It becomes the center of your universe. Or maybe you have no plans for the weekend, and you jump at any invitation simply because there's no alternative. This feeling of being too available slowly erodes your self-esteem. You start to feel like your value is tied to the validation of others. It's a vicious cycle. The more you feel you need it, the more you seek external validation. And the more you seek it, the less others tend to give it. It's painful. And I'm here to tell you it's not your fault. It's because of how the human brain is wired. From an engineer's perspective, every system operates under certain laws. Human social systems are no different. One of the most powerful of these laws is the scarcity principle. Psychological research, especially from figures like Robert Cialdini, has shown that we humans subconsciously assign more value to things that are scarce, rare, or difficult to obtain. Diamonds are just compressed carbon, but it's their scarcity that makes them valuable. The same principle applies to your time and attention. When you are always available, the subconscious message you send is, "My time is not valuable. I have nothing else important going on." It turns you into an abundant resource. But a scientist's empathy tells us the solution isn't to pretend to be busy. That's shallow and unsustainable. It's like building a house with no foundation. The real solution is to build a life so interesting and meaningful that your scarcity is a natural byproduct, not a strategy. So let's build the system. I call it the Social Scarcity System. It has 3 core components. Step 1. Define your core pursuit. You need a mission. Something so important to you that you would do it even if no one was watching. This is your core pursuit. It could be learning to code an app, training for a marathon, writing a book, mastering an instrument, or building a YouTube channel. The key features of a core pursuit are: it's challenging. It forces you to grow. It's measurable. You can see your progress. It's intrinsically meaningful to you. You're doing it for you, not to impress others. Take out a piece of paper and brainstorm at least 10 ideas. Don't worry about getting it perfect. Just start. Step 2. Build your habit architecture. A goal without a plan is just a wish. This is where the engineering comes in. You must create non-negotiable time blocks in your calendar for your core pursuit. I call these focus blocks. Maybe it's 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. for writing, or Tuesday and Thursday nights for the gym or a pottery class. These times are sacred. You protect this time like you would protect an important meeting with your CEO. Phone on Do Not Disturb. You tell your friends you're unavailable during those hours. This not only moves you forward on your pursuit, but it also trains your own brain that your time is valuable. Step 3. Develop mental resilience. This is the hardest part. When you start valuing your time, you will meet resistance. Your friends might not get it. You will be hit with FOMO, the fear of missing out. This is where mental resilience comes in. You must learn to say no, not rudely, but firmly. Instead of I can't make it tonight, I've got a prior commitment to a personal project, but how about we catch up this weekend? This communicates 2 things. 1, you are a person who sticks to their commitments. 2, you still value the relationship. This is effective communication. You are rejecting the invitation, not the person. Every time you do this, you strengthen your self-respect muscle. Imagine this 6 months from now. You wake up on a Saturday, not with the anxiety of checking your phone, but with excitement to work on the app you're building. You go to a party, and when someone asks what's new, instead of a tired not much, you can talk with passion about your progress learning the guitar or your plans for your next backpacking trip. You're no longer worried about whether you'll get a text back because you're busy living. And strangely, the less you worry, the more texts you get. People are drawn to your purposeful energy. They respect your independence. You've become magnetic not because you tried to be, but because you gave yourself something to care about. That is true self-esteem. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is simple. I'm not asking you to implement this entire system overnight. Your first step is this. Take 15 minutes today. Just 15 minutes. Find a quiet spot and brainstorm at least 5 ideas for your core pursuit. That's it. Lay the first brick. This journey doesn't start with pretending. It starts with building. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Minecraft for more content on engineering a better life.